Do you want to work for a cruise ship and you don't know where to start looking for these jobs? Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can work for a cruise ship in the USA. They will sponsor your flights to the USA, they will sponsor your visa, they will sponsor your everything. All you have to do is apply using the sites that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, and bam, you are in. How's it going, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Lindsay and I make content on how you can build wealth in your 20s. But I know that a lot of people want jobs in this country, so what I'm doing is that I will be plugging you with a job in a cruise ship. If you want to work for a cruise ship, then you are in the right video. Let's jump on into how you can actually apply for these jobs, because I don't want to ramble on about things that do not make sense. Let's jump on into my computer right here so that I can show you how you can apply for these cruise ship jobs. Now, let me start by saying this. If you want to be a bartender, if you want to be a waitress, if you want to be a chef, all these jobs are available in this cruise ship, because you know that cruise ships literally have everything. If you are a nurse, if you have, like, they need everything in the cruise ships, so do not worry, your career is probably going to be here. Cleaner jobs are also available. So if you do not know, or if you didn't go to university, cleaner jobs are also here. Waitressing jobs are also here. So let's take a look at what these jobs entail. Okay guys, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna search Princess Cruises on your website. But even if you do not want to do that, I will leave the link to the Princess Cruises down below so you can find it easily. And then, so what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go to your Google or your web browser, whatever web browser you use, your Google Chrome, and you are going to type in Princess Cruises, right? And when you see this that is on my screen right here, you will be at the right place. And what you're going to do is you are going to click on careers. After clicking on careers, it's going to bring you to the careers page. It's still loading. Mine is still loading. But yeah, this is the cruise that you are going to be working in right here. And then you are going to start scrolling down. And what you can see here is that they have 3 categories of the careers that are available, right? They have crew members, right? So that is your bartender, that is your waitress, that is your chefs. And then they have corporate, which means that they are in corporates. There will be your HR, there will be your finances, there will be your marketing departments. There would be all these departments that will be under corporate. And then there's an Alaska Yukon career. I don't know what that is. I don't want to get into that, but maybe, oh, it's like transportation. I don't know, don't quote me on that. I am here for this for the waitressing and the corporate side of things. If you are in corporate, sorry, we'll cover you on the next video. For now, I'm just focusing on the stuff that is going to be doing waitressing and cleaning and all these exciting work jobs. So I'm just going to click on search jobs, and I'm going to scroll down. Okay, here they're just explaining how you're applying, but literally applying requires you to click on these and that. But what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down. We are looking for South Africa, right? Middle East, Malaysia, Mexico. We are looking for, there we go, South Africa, right? So they specifically want people from South Africa to come work in these cruise ships. So you're going to say apply now. As you guys can see, this is the beautiful city of Cape Town. Beautiful city of Cape Town. So these are all the jobs that are currently available for South Africans right now. So as you guys can see, they're looking for people who are going to work at the galley, at the restaurants, at the photo booth, like, so they want a chef, they want a waiter, they want a photographer, and they want another waiter. So let's just click on the waiter the waiter job post, right? Let's go here, accept all. And then here they're just explaining what you're going to be doing, the key responsibilities. I mean, you guys know when you're a waiter, you serve people their food, you ask them for their orders, like, it's you know, waiters, you've been in a restaurant, guys, like, that's what a waiter does, right? So let's just look at the skills that they want from this person. They want you to be a graduate. They want you to be a graduate, number one. So if you have hospitality, you are in great chances of getting this job. And they need a 2-year restaurant experience. There are a lot of people who work at restaurants in South Africa, and if you can apply to a cruise ship, then it would be a win for you. And like, they just want like basic things now, like ability to work under pressure. Obviously everybody's gonna say that, and everything like that. So guys, I'm not gonna read all these benefits. Let's go to apply now, right? After we click on apply now they are going to ask for your personal details. You're gonna have to enter your name, your surname, your email address, your phone number, your address, everything, and then you will have to attach your CV or resume, and then a summary of yourself, like, I'm a hardworking person at my job, they give me this because they trust me with that. Like, brag about yourself when you're writing about these. And you're gonna have to write about your citizenship and everything like that. So I'm not gonna go through this application process because it is super long. Well, not super long, but it is long, so I don't want this video to drag for too long. But yeah, guys, that is literally how you apply to work on this cruise ship. This cruise ship is called Princess Cruises, and they are currently recruiting South Africans as we speak. I'm posting this video today, so if you see this video today, go and apply right now, okay, before the positions are filled. Yeah, guys, that is literally it for the video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment down below, and I will see you guys on my next video. As always, I love you all. Have an amazing, wonderful day. Sharp.